Stage fright. There has been a lot of books written about it, a lot of prayers made to God from people to get rid of fear of public speaking. A lot of therapies, a lot of things like that has happened in the name of stage fright. But I'm going to tell you something different, something that's going to blow your mind. Stage fright does not exist. Let me let that sink in. Now you might be thinking, Abhishek, I have felt stage fright. Obviously it's real. So have I. But in reality it's an illusion. Now I'll tell you why it is an illusion in a while, but knowing this can help you get over stage fright a lot more easily. Hello guys, welcome to Rich Living Mastery YouTube channel where we create content to help you optimize the areas of your life, health, wealth and relationships. This is Abhishek, founder and CEO of Rich Living Mastery and a public speaking coach. Now why is fear or stage fright an illusion? Here's the first reason, okay? Now recently, few years back I was listening to some podcast and I clicked on some random video on YouTube. And there was this stand-up comedian who was speaking about her addiction with smoking and drinking and a mother's addiction with smoking and drinking. And then she spoke about how they tried a lot of things, none of it worked. But they read one book and one thing in that book mainly changed the way they lived their life. They completely dropped smoking and drinking. Now that book was about smoking. I don't remember the name of the book. But one concept she told me that really changed her life was this concept where the author speaks about how smoking industry doesn't sell you on cigarettes. What it sells you on is an idea that quitting is hard, quitting is difficult. That's what they sell you on. So, a lot of people will try. But when they try, if they can sell you on the idea that it's hard to quit, if they can make you believe in it, you're more likely to be their long-time customer, which is highly profitable. And same thing or similar thing is happening in public speaking as well. A lot of people are afraid of going on stage because their friends are afraid, because people around them are afraid, because since everyone around them is doing the same thing, their mind will obviously go like, yeah, it's a common thing to be afraid of stage. Now, how do you know that this is happening? If you cannot pinpoint on why you're scared of public speaking, then this is most probably the cause. I have a lot of people who come to me and ask me, Abhishek, I have a lot of stage fright. How do I get over it? This is a very, very common question that I get asked. And when I ask them back, what about public speaking are you scared of? You know how they say the answer? I don't know. Maybe because if I mess up, how people might think about me, if I don't know, if I forget my content, or what if I lose my job, what if it doesn't go well, what if I don't get a big round of applause, standing ovation, maybe. See, in none of these things, when they say they're not confident about why, and that probably means that they're only doing it because everybody else around them is doing it. So remember, first reason is public speaking fear doesn't really exist for most people because, well, they're only doing it because people around them are doing it. People around you have sold you the idea that you need to be scared of public speaking. Now, coming to the second reason why stage fright or fear of public speaking is an illusion. Now, a lot of times when you say, I'm scared of going on stage fright is a very big challenge that I have. Most of the times it's just a blanket that is hiding under it some important main reasons, an actual reason why you're scared of public speaking. You aren't scared of public speaking, you aren't scared of stage. Nobody looks at the stage and goes like, oh, no, that stage scares me, that stage is scary. No, nobody does that. But you know what people do? They say, let's say I go on stage, what if I mess up? What if I get things wrong? What if I don't connect with the audience? What if I forget? So a lot of times what people are afraid of is the outcome. They're not really afraid of public speaking itself. So if you are scared of public speaking, ask yourself why. If you can pinpoint, you'll be able to pinpoint few of the things and then you'll be able to work with it. For example, let's say you're giving a pitch for an investor. And your risk is that you might actually lose that person investing in you if you mess up your presentation. Now that you have the reason, you can work on that. Okay, I'm scared of them doing it. How can I improve this? What else can I do? Something like that, instead of being scared of stage. That's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. But you know what? Hold on, before you go. Now, just knowing that public's the fear or the stage fright is an illusion doesn't really help you. It might help you. It might help a lot of you, but for many of you it won't, because the belief that you need to be scared of stage, of speaking in front of people, has become a very solid belief. Now, to get rid of it, there are some very cool techniques that you can use which are super effective. Super simple but very, very effective. If I would have done the video, you can click somewhere here. If not, then it's a very good reason for you to hit that follow button so that you don't miss videos like that. With that said, if you felt like you learned something new, leave a like and share this video with that person who you know has a stage fright. Do them a favor. Let them know that stage fright doesn't exist. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.